Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I am excited for this box opening. We ordered this, well, I guess right after Danny left for vacation, and from the Culture Japan site. It is a Smart Doll from Japan, and so I waited for it to get here, and it got here yesterday, and I had a lot to do, and I made myself do all of that and wait till this morning to open this box. I love these Smart Dolls. I cannot wait to show you this one. And I made her these leggings. I do not have the snap in the back yet, and I wish I would have made this side the front. But what do you think? I like them. I like this better, but it'd be a cute shot from the back, right? And then I have these for her. So that gives you a hint of who we're opening. And with Gray Sky, that's his name, he is actually Take On Me in coffee. So let's open this box. Darren pre-cut it.
She's been like a kid at Christmas.
I didn't sleep last night. I love these dolls. I mean, I love them. Let's see who I did get. Ooh. We have a rule, and my dolls will not follow it. They are not supposed to fall. Let's widen his legs a little bit, because I'm.
Or when you smack him upside the head.
I know. That one was kind of on me. All right. Here is.
Here's the new bag.
Yeah, the new tote bags. Be seen with the Smart Doll. I always tell the story that I met Nicole and, not the Cool Dolls, Nicole and John at a fabric store, Joann's, and I never would have met them, and they live less than 7 miles from me. You get this nice box. Really good. If you're a first-time Smart Doll buyer, these are good for clothing, but the truth is you get so many. This is your clickety stand. This is your care sheet. Some of it's comical. I do save that in there. I'll pull out my stand, pull out my wig. As you can see, it is a long, dark-haired wig. Gives you another hint. Yes, my American Indian maiden is here. Okay, where is the opening? Look at that. Now you show me. Where's the opening? Well, shoot.
Has to be there somewhere.
Has to be here somewhere. Ta-da! Okay, so here's her wig, of which Darren's probably going to have to put on. All right, and then I store all this in here. And I do that, I don't know why, but I do. I save the boxes. Oh, and her underwear will go in there, and then this will also go in there, as well as her plastic wrapping. These dolls are, Smart Dolls. If you are I say it all the time, if you are thinking about getting a Smart Doll, and I'm going to tell you this, and your bills are paid, today's the day, because the, what are they called, Darren? Diminished?
The diminish is ending at the end of August this month, and you'll start paying over $100 a doll in taxes for every doll you import from Japan now.
Yeah.
Smart Doll.
Anywhere, really. All right, so this is Sorry Not Sorry, a doll I've been looking at since, well, probably the beginning. I was looking at her in tea, and when I saw her in coffee, and I had him, I thought, oh, gotta have her. All right, give me just a minute. I made him this outfit because this was in 1970s shows. If a couple was having coffee in the morning and she had on the top and he had on the bottoms, that was code for they spent the night together. And I just thought it was a cute idea, and I'm having such fun with my dolls. I can't wait to make her a necklace. What did I do with those? I showed you the charms, right? The little feather charms. And I just love them. I'll be trying her little pants on her, getting the little snap in on the back. And he has a shirt made out of this same fabric that they can wear together. I'm having so much fun with these dolls. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
And so what's her name?
Oh, yeah. Her name is Sly Fox. Sly Fox Gray Sky. Thank you for watching.